This story is called Inderlen Gets in Dead Meat. Enjoy the video. Good morning, class. Susan the Scotty is absent because she is sick. Because Baldy choked on Susan the Scotty. And I'm gonna be your teacher. You all guys remember me? Remember that Rosie got me for Valentine's Day? I am the singing donkey that plays all kinds of Christmas songs. Okay, class. Let's do a behavior card day video. Let's get started. If you get a rainbow card, that means you graduate forever. If you get a blue card, that means you will get 10 years off. If you get a purple card, that means you get 9 years off. If you get a rabbit card, that means you will get 8 years off. If you get a tan card, that means you will get 1 year off. If you get a pink card, that means you will get 1 month off. If you get a white card, that means nothing happens and you stay in your seat. If you get a beige card, that means you will get a talk after class with no detention or suspensions. If you get a red X card, that means you will get detention for 1 hour. If you get a yellow card, that means you will get detention for 5 hours. If you get a red card, that means you will get detention until school ends. If you get a scarlet card, that means you will get detention forever. If you get a dead apple card, that means you will be suspended for 1 day. If you get an orange card, that means you will be suspended for 2 days. If you get a spotted card, that means you will be suspended for 3 days. If you get a dead mouse card, that means you will be suspended for 5 weeks. If you get a school card, that means you will be suspended for 1 year. If you get a gray card, that means you will be suspended for 2 years. If you get a striped card, that means you will be suspended for 3 years. And pay attention to this card. If you get this black card, that means you will be in dead meat and expelled. And your mom will ground you. Okay, here are your cards.
Yes. Me and Gina got rainbow cards.
Good job, Rainbow and Gina. You two graduate forever. Go to the principal's office and claim your reward.
Wow, I got a blue card.
Good job, Taylor. The blue card means that you get 10 years off. Go to the principal's office and claim your reward. Wow, I got a purple card. Good job, Zeke. You stop going in Austin's room or Rosie's room. The purple card means you will get 9 years off. Go to the principal's office and claim your reward. Wow, I got a rabbit card. Thank you for giving me that card, Donkey. Good job, Austin or Rosie, that you got me for Valentine's Day. The rabbit card means you will get 8 years off. Go to the principal's office and claim your reward. Wow, I got a tan card. Good job, Ernie. You got the same name like Ernie from Sesame Street. The tan card means you will get 1 year off. Go to the principal's office and claim your reward.
Wow, I got a pink card.
Good job, Molly. The pink card means you will get 1 month off. Go to the principal's office and claim your reward. Okay, I got a white card. Okay, Alexander Byler, you're still a good student. That means nothing happens. You will go back to your seat and sit whatever seat that you want to sit.
Oh no! Sheldon Cooper got beige cards. Sheldon Cooper got a beige card.
I am so sorry, Sheldon Cooper. You're only just in a little bit of trouble, with no detention or suspensions. The beige card means you will get a talk after class. You gotta talk with me in the principal's office, and me. Go to the principal's office and show him your card. G-R-R-R-R-R-R-R-R-R-R. I got a red X. That's right, Chewy. You will get detention for 1 hour. You always bother Austin every morning that he got up from bed when he sits on the couch. And you also bother Mom, too, about you giving your toy to Austin and Mom. Go to the principal's office. And I hope you learned your lesson in your 1 hour detention. And you need to stop bothering Austin so much. And every morning. Oh no! I got a yellow card. That's right. Ugly Rabbit. The yellow card means you will get detention for 5 hours. Go to the principal's office, and I hope you learned your lesson in detention for 5 hours. How dare you give me a red card? That's it. I will ground you. You better not ground me, Boris. You got a red card. That means you will get detention until school ends. You always ground people for no reason. You always ground Caillou, Rosie, Daisy, Cody, and Lily, and Emily, Hannah, and Sapphire, and Agnes, and Amanda for no reason when they're doing something good. You only need to ground people when they do something bad. You're not allowed to do that. Go to the principal's office, and I hope you learned your lesson in detention. Oh my gosh, I got a scarlet card. That's right, Illy Snake. You will get detention forever. Go to the principal's office. Oh my gosh, I got a diamond apple card. That's right, Troublemaking Baldi's Basics. You got a dead apple card because you always tried to hit people with your ruler and get Gina and Taylor into trouble. The dead apple card means you'll be suspended for 1 day. Go to the principal's office, and your mom will ground you and no ruler for the rest of the week. Oh my gosh, I got an orange card. That's right, Skeleton Bug. You deserve orange. That means you're suspended for 2 days. Go to the principal's office, and I hope you learned your lesson in suspension. No giving me bad cards in the halls. Detention for you. Well, will you learn? Don't talk about detention, and you better stop getting everybody in detention for no reason. And that's right, principal of the thing. You deserve a spotted card because you always get people in detention for no reason. That means you're suspended for 3 days. Go to the principal's office. Oh no, I got a dead mouse card. That's right, John Wiggle. You deserve a dead mouse card because you always try to boss Rosie for no reason. That means you will be suspended for 5 weeks. Go to the principal's office. Oh, I got a school card. Stop making that ooh voice, Ghost Cat. The school card means you will be suspended for 1 year. Go to the principal's office. Oh no, I got a gray card. That's right, Sticky Kid. You deserve a gray card. That means you will be suspended for 2 years. Go to the principal's office. What should I do? To be continue. Face my teeth. Face it. Why, why did you give me a striped card? Well, Boris the Red Teeth guy, you deserve a striped card because you always ground people for no reason and you always get arrested. The striped card means you will be suspended for 3 years. Go to the principal's office, and you almost gotten dead meat too. I got a black card. Can I please have another chance? Absolutely not! Inderlen, you have been the worst student ever. Go to the principal's office, and Mother Duck will ground you. Why, Inderlen, how dare you get in dead meat and expelled from school? That's it. You're grounded for 10 years. Go to your room now. One,